For those of you who are skeptical about no-code, this is the story of two ladies who met during the pandemic, built a no-code startup, and were able to raise $150,000 on Shark Tank. Welcome to the Startup Studio, everyone. I'm Christian Peverelli, the CEO of WeAreNoCode. We teach non-technical people how to launch their startups leveraging no-code tools. So if you're interested in becoming an entrepreneur, or you want to learn some tips and tricks on how to build startups, then you can subscribe to this channel, you can drop us a comment, you can like, you can share it with friends. It's completely free, and we really appreciate all your support. Now, this no-code success story is all about a startup called HelloPrenup that was founded by two ladies, one a software engineer, the other one a prenup lawyer. Now, how does the story start? So Sarah Beth was at the time a software engineer, and she had just left her job during the pandemic, try to work on something that brought her a little closer to her passions. She at the time was engaged with her fiance and was looking for prenuptial agreements and ways to get that easily online. So she went to lawyers to find out how much that cost, and on average she found out that it costs $5,000 to create a prenuptial agreement. And that's when, after a lot of research, she was able to fall on a website called HelloPrenup. Now, HelloPrenup was actually founded in 2020 by Julia, who was a prenuptial agreement professional lawyer, and she had had real trouble in building out this platform. She had actually gone to overseas developers and spent more than $130,000, only to find out that the code was incredibly buggy and wasn't working. So at the time, when Sarah Beth came and tried to log into the website, it did not work because it required maintenance. There were so many different issues. And so that's the moment where Sarah Beth cold emailed Julia and asked her if she could use the service. A couple days later, they partnered together and she became the co-founder of HelloPrenup. Now, as soon as Sarah Beth, the developer or the coder, jumped into the code base, she realized that it was absolutely a mess. So either she could spend the next 6 to 12 months trying to decipher and backward engineer the entire platform, take it over, and try to fix what was already what we call at WeAreNoCode a spaghetti code mess. She actually decided to just build this thing leveraging a platform called Bubble. Bubble is a no-code tool that allows you to build web apps without writing a single line of code. So leveraging Bubble, she was able to build the entire platform in only 3 months. And right after finishing this new platform in 2021, they were invited to go onto AMC's hit TV show, Shark Tank. You know that place where you go to get terrorized by Mr. Wonderful or intimidated by Mark Cuban? Yeah, that place. So they walked through those Shark Tank doors, fully dressed in wedding gowns, looking to propose to these investors a deal of the lifetime. So their ask to the sharks was $150,000 for 10% of the company. And after delivering an amazing pitch, it actually came to surface that they had only generated $20,000 in revenue. Now, obviously that's a little bit shocking because they had spent $130,000, which was pretty much wasted on developers before building it out in Bubble. They made the sharks understand that the average lawyer cost $5,000 for a prenup, and they were proposing a do-it-yourself for millennials to be able to charge them only $599 for the same agreement. But much to their surprise, every single one of the sharks said no, except for the last shark standing. And as the good lawyer that Julia is, she was able to convince a second shark to come in from a first offer. They ended up giving away 30% of their company for $150,000. However, they had two very powerful sharks on board. They could take advantage of Kevin O'Leary's experience in the wedding industry and his registry. They were also able to get the support of Nirav Tolia, who is the founder of NextDoor, so really has a deep understanding of tech and how to scale tech businesses. And although I do think 30% is a little bit much, when it comes with that much support, the support of these two individuals that are now going to be on your board, that is priceless. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe, share it with a friend. We constantly put out these kind of awesome videos. And so for those of you who might believe that no code is not interesting for investors, or if you think that no code startups are not being taken seriously, then think again. Hundreds of millions of dollars are going towards no code tools. We have startups raising millions and millions of dollars that have been built with no code tools. We're seeing more investors teaching their startups to build things leveraging leveraging no-code tools, because this, my friends, is the future of startup development. And if you'd like to start a business one day, but you have no experience, go and download our free course in the comment section, where we're gonna bring you through the step-by-step on how to build a startup as a non-technical entrepreneur. We also run a full no-code accelerator program to teach you how to build businesses leveraging no-code. We provide coaching, we provide support, and everything else that you're gonna want to be successful in this business. Have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. This channel is WeAreNoCode. I'm Christian Peverelli. Love you all.